start.
This is Dr. Samrat Ray. I am representing International Institute of Management Studies, Pune, and we are part of Sai Balaji Group. I am working there as a Dean and Head of International Relations. And we are here with a lot of expectations, and I believe that this fair has really met my expectations, and it is a wonderful event, and a lot of meeting students, fellow academicians, parents, and knowing how the education industry in India functions also nationally and globally. I strongly believe that these fairs like these are very much needed, and it can bring a lot of hopes in the face of Indian students, both locally and nationally. And I wish all luck, and I'm really happy that organizations like Step Up Career has really fulfilled the vision of student empowerment. Thank you very much.